Oh, it's Matty P here. Lovely summer day. The basil's going off. So today, Loretta and I are gonna make some classic Italian style pesto. Now we did a pesto episode before. It's a little different. It had some other herbs in it. Today we're doing the classic one, Calabrian style. I think we got some pine nuts in it, basil, olive oil, salt, garlic, and I forget what else goes in there. But let's pick some basil, meet up with Loretta, and get this beautiful dish going. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. So with Loretta, my beautiful neighbor, aka family too, like family.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's the best thing about living here.
Take it like this, and then inside the cream.
Yeah. So it didn't get too yellow yet, because that can be the problem, right? When it gets too old. But this is still looking really good.
Really good, Matteo.
And even look, this young junior one right here, just a little baby.
A little baby.
Yeah. So the starting to flower, but as long as it's not yellow, right? That's the main thing.
Yeah, but when you make this sauce, you can put it this, it's okay, but not now in the paste.
No.
Have to be like this.
So just get rid of those ones.
Yeah.
The nice young ones, like right on the end, like this. Smells amazing already. We had really good basil this year, pretty good cherry tomatoes, good scotch bonnets, cucumbers were... This other herb here is very nice.
Oh, well, there's some left for you.
Yeah, there's always some left. Plenty to go around. Yeah, the flower is so cool. I'll just keep on picking.
Okay, what do you think?
That looks good.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. Still got
Let's
tons.
go inside for now.
Still got tons left. So I'll put a link to our herbal pesto we made a few years ago. This is just the classic, normal style, Calabria style.
Calabria. Calabria, Cosenza.
Cosenza style. All right, we got a lot.
I want to make it like this. Oh my God, the smell.
It smells so strong.
Wow.
So you just clean up a little more.
Yeah, a little bit more cream.
Look at that, just
You
beautiful.
know, buono più duro. Lo sente là duro?
Yeah, eh?
Da forte. Molto forte.
Su sto tenero che c'è qua.
C'ha tante foglie e c'è veramente rustoggio.
So some of these got pretty big. What's that, a bug? A snail. What the hell? A baby snail. See, that's why we check. Look at that, a little baby snail.
Una marozzetta piccolina piccolina.
Oh,
Come si dice?
Snello, maruzza.
Maruzze. Okay, there's a new word for me.
Oh, yeah.
ma mo lavi prima.
No, è pulito.
It's pretty much clean already, right?
Yeah, that's why I go like this.
Yeah, we had some rain just recently, so looks good.
Lavi se la lavi in un scolapato.
Udente in terra, era entra a vasca del bagno già.
Era dintravato.
Yeah.
So it was a little bit of work to find pine nuts today. I had to go to 4 different stores. The one that did have them was Bulk Barn on Bloor Street. But $50 a pound.
Italy, i pignoli, the big tree.
Yeah?
Why?
Isso coisa aqui, $50 para a pound.
Well, the pigna che sta, the big tree, come ananassa, il colore.
Mas é muito dinheiro em Itália?
Yeah.
Muito cara.
Yeah. Too much work.
Yeah.
Why pay buy?
So it's hard to pick. It's because
Yeah.
it's expensive. Yeah, I couldn't believe the price. It was like $100 a kilo. This cost me about $8, I think. Not bad. $8 aqui.
Yeah,
Not too bad.
too much work for this. The tree too high, too high, too high.
Okay.
Okay, so first step. Basilico.
It's over here.
Couple good sized pieces of garlic. Ooh, strong.
2 or 1?
Oh, let's do 2.
2?
Yeah, why not? So a couple big ones sliced up. All right, so we got salt.
Not too much, you remember?
Yeah. Yeah, we made it like 10 years ago and it was super salty. That's good. Perfect. I remember. And then some nice olive oil. Any kind of olive oil.
Ah,
You know, just go for it. Pignoli. No, maybe like $2.
I try and then I put the rest.
Yeah.
E beh come su, bice? E beh,
Yeah.
ma have a good
No, ma
taste.
mi deve
Yeah.
bene ciulone.
Okay.
And you want the Romano? You have grated Romano.
Oh,
Yeah.
sì Matteo.
Yeah, that's why I'm here. So we got Romano and we got another kind of cheese. It's what was that other one? Setta feta?
Yeah.
Some kind of cheese. It was a really strong cheese we had for lunch. Neither of us like it that much, but it's good in this because it's blended. Aha.
This one is not perfect, no work.
Yeah.
Cross a little bit like this, no work.
And you just add the rest as you need. Oh, I'm pretty impressed. It's almost all fitting in there. Yeah. My big one would have been overkill. And some more pignoli. Hey. And then just mix it up. The real pro chefs don't measure everything. It's a feeling.
It's
Mmm.
called food,
Mmm.
fruit process.
The pine nuts taste really good. Like fresh ones.
The
Good-
pinoli,
Yeah,
yeah.
pinoli tastes really quality.
Where you buy?
From the bulk barn, Bloor Street, Bloor and Brunswick. You know, they have a jar of everything you want, like any kind of flour, any kind of rice, any kind of chocolate, like a big store. You just fill up the bag with what you want.
But passo batto street.
It's on Bloor Street, Bloor and Brunswick.
A Brunswick.
Yeah, they call it bulk barn.
I work now. Taste, this is the salt.
Oh,
You
okay.
can taste.
Okay. Try some. All right, now we're gonna test.
Sta buono. Good taste.
Little bit,
Buono.
little bit more salt.
Let me try some more.
Ma-
I gotta get a bigger piece here. Here we go. Maybe a little more so. I don't know. I think it's perfect. I think it's good, yeah.
Because too much cheese was pinoli.
I think, yeah, because the cheese has
I think it's okay.
I think it's okay. It doesn't need any more.
No need more salt.
Yeah, because we had lots of the cheese in there.
But
A little more. Always better to under salt and then add later, right? Once you go too far, there's no going back.
the other one, the drain, make it more thin.
Me ne hanno poco.
Ha detto mo prova tu con ieri.
No, io ne voglio.
Ebbene come sta?
No, no.
Prova,
no.
prova.
No.
No,
Okay.
funny.
Di Napoli Cordano.
I don't know, Matteo. What do you think?
I think it's perfect.
For me, it's a little bit thick.
Thick? Thick is good though.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so now I have to put for the blend. The blend make it more.
More fine? No, I like it like this. Like a little rougher is good. That looks
Okay.
perfect to me. Yeah.
Okay, turn another time and that's it.
Okay. Done.
Let the pesto is ready.
No quiere experimentar?
No,
¿Por qué no?
non like it.
You don't like pesto?
No.
No, this is for the honest age. Honest age.
Oh, it's Honest Ed's. Hey! We're just talking today about how we miss Honest Ed's. And look at that. Some old Honest Ed's jars. Oh yeah, it looks beautiful. Perfect color. Perfect texture.
Okay, Matteo.
Yeah, it looks okay. Jar number 1. I mean, that was a lot of leaves and it almost all fit in one jar. So, looks good.
Nice flower.
Nice flower, yeah. Looking good back there, Vince. It smells amazing, as usual. But I'm always amazed at the concentration once it all gets blended down.
Belli garofali.
Bella.
Sì.
Beautiful. 2 jars?
Matteo.
I thought we were gonna get way more, but that's perfect. That's all you need, really. We still have more in the plants if you need it. You have a spatula?
You want some more? You go buy. And you have it.
Yeah.
Occhio se che pane.
Some nice pane to try it. Cornbread. Look at that color on that one.
E una tonne di suo vuole pane.
Beautiful color, eh? Just load it up. You can't go wrong.
What?
Mmm. It's beautiful.
And then Matteo, you look, see the oil go down, you put a little bit more after the bit.
To preserve it. You don't want it to get too dry, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Io ce n'ho poco di pane.
So that's the trick.
Non c'ho poco di pane.
No, that's okay, Vince. I'm good with this.
Oh my God.
Vince is asking me for you.
No, no, no.
Oh, it's for me. Okay.
No, ma for you.
All right, we're dipping in here. Look at that. Oh, I'm making a mess too. Nothing wrong with that. So beautiful, so tasty, so herby. The cheese and the pinoli. I mean, the pinoli is kind of the magic ingredient. I think it does add something, even though you can get away without it or try another nut. But something magical about the pinoli, I think.
Vuoi un poco di wine?
No,
No.
I'm okay, thank you. Had 2 glasses of wine already today. I think that's it. Yeah.
When you go to the stores, you can buy me the pinoli.
Yeah, I can buy you some.
Yeah.
You want some more?
Maybe I make it.
Yeah.
Just, I like it.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. I have a little jar down the stairs the last year, but it's no pinoli, no.
Yeah.
And the pinoli is the best.
All right, I'm getting some pinoli extra for you next time.
When you go.
Sounds good.
Even I come and take your base.
Yeah, you can steal my basil anytime.
Yeah, because I have to make the tomato sauce, so I need my basil too.
Yeah, well, help yourself. That's it. All right, that's it. Go make your own pesto, however you like. Get the pinoli in there for extra legitimate bonus points. And basil is super easy to grow, so enjoy it. You can make pesto, put it in your salads.
I told you, you have to do it. One of the basil is green. One go a little bit more, not good. Come on, white.
Yeah, that's it.
It's okay.
All right, so let me know how it goes for you in the comments. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.